Short video on miking a grand piano with the 4099 Core Plus mics. The goosenecks are mounted in the magnet holders like this. Click and snap locks. You can change the position, open the lock, change the position, and lock it. Very strong magnet. Boom, in the piano. I place them normally like ORTF-ish because I like the pickup that this gives us. The left-hand side is pointing towards the lower hand strings, and the other one is pointing to the higher strings. It gives a very, very nice stereo image, and it features the lid closed or on short stick. You don't even have to move the microphones. They are in here. They are lower than the grand piano. So that works, and it sounds like this. So, if you want more hammer action, more direct sound, more percussive sound than what you just heard, the position over the hammers is really cool. With these mics, with the strong magnet, I can rotate it like this, place it here, rotate the other one, place it on the beams, like this. And it sounds like this. So, close lid, place the microphones in here, very close to the hammers. A lot of good hammer action. Boom. So closing the lid all the way gives you more level because you are now in a chamber, you are now inside the box. It gives you a raise in certain frequencies, not all of the frequencies, so it's not the same sound. Hear the difference. Compare it with the open lid before. It sounds like this. So if you want to hear the sonic character, the differences with the lid open, short stick, or even closed, I encourage you to watch the 2015 video where we have all the different lid openings in comparison so you can hear the difference. I never used the 4099 outside the piano because of the proximity effect. They are supercardioid. They are designed to be linear at 20 centimeters. So bringing them outside the piano on a boom doesn't really make sense. Obviously you can do it, but it sounds very thin, not super natural. But feel free to experiment. I hope I gave you something to think about.